Hello, this is Chris Goldthorpe from www.chesschesschess.com again. This is in the continuing sequence of instruction on the basic rules of chess. This is about the draw. This is specifically about a draw by agreement. So, looking at this position, whichever color you are, and you could be the opposite color here, like this, looking at it from white's perspective. But both players know that both players can see that there is no way for either side to make any move except king moves from now on. Neither king will ever get into the other person's half of the board. Obviously, this is a highly simplified situation, but it needs to be so that we can understand the concept. Sometimes there are games that grandmasters declare drawn that seem very interesting and imbalanced to amateurs, but to them it is as simple as this position you see. Here, obviously, either player may wish to save time, and no matter how bad of a player he thinks his opponent is, he knows that he cannot win, and so this game must end as a draw. So white, whose turn it is to play, makes a move, then offers a draw, and then stops his clock and starts his opponent's clock. Now his opponent, as long as they don't touch a piece, they can still take the draw. But once they touch a piece, white has the option of withdrawing the draw offer, but he is certainly not obligated to do so. So this position certainly will be readily agreed as drawn by either player. So white offers the draw. If black simply stops the clock and shakes hands at that point, no further words are needed, or if he says, "I accept," or whatever. But if he makes a move and hits the clock, we can take that as a withdrawn or a declined draw offer. Now, once he declines the offer, he can request that you not offer any more draws after he's declined it 3 times in a row. He might say no draws, but you might still offer a draw, and with little chance of a real penalty. Obviously, in this highly simplified position, we're not going to see any such dispute. But the important thing is to know what a draw by agreement is. One player moves, offers a draw, and hits the clock if you're playing with a clock. The other player, having heard your draw offer, can accept your draw offer, or they can decline your draw offer, especially if they believe they can win. So this is how draws happen by agreement. If my opponent accepts my draw offer, we stop playing and we record the result of the game, which is 1/2 for each player. Thanks. This is again Chris Goldthorpe from chesschesschess.com, and this segment was about draw by agreement.